Hello guys, name's Dap, aka Death and Pain, and today we're going to be playing some Castlevania. Well, you only give me... Why would you give me 4 choices if I can only choose one? Up the stairs slowly, like I always do. Oh yeah, golden statues, because I'm rich. I don't even know what that is. Gotta love Castlevania's music, eh? Hello, Death. Whoa! 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 Be strong, come on. They're just bones.
Cornell, also known as Blue Crescent Moon. Through magic of the ancients, this man-beast warrior obtained a physical body of near immortality and a power that surpasses that of a wild beast. The man-beasts, choosing to live harmoniously with humans, sealed away their enormous magical powers to prevent them from being used. However, through severe ascetic training, Cornell acquired the art for releasing the sealed man-wolf power. After a year of traveling and ascetic training, Cornell rushed back to his village, only to find that evil spirits had set the village on fire, engulfing the village in a lotus flower of flames. His only living blood relative, his sister Ada, was carried away by the evil spirits. Now he must save her. Cornell uses the man-wolf's acute sense of smell to track the scent of his sister's blood. Reinhard Schneider, Carrie Fernandez. We go back 8 years in time, before the period in which these two young warriors risked their lives battling against the devil. Now, the truth that has been shrouded in the gloom of darkness will be revealed.
What? What? Oh, who's that carrying me? Sexy lady. You just happen to know where the big ship is. Get on it. Go on, climb. Climb. Oh, he's actually climbing. Alright. This is jump. This goes to my menu. Alright. No. Okay, go back. Pick it up. Pick it up. Come on, pick it up. Did I pick it up? I think I did. Oh, why do I keep pressing this button? Pick it up. Damn it, stop pressing this button. No! Oh, oh, I picked it up. Yeah! 500 gold. Damn it. Jeez, I can jump really high. Can't get up there. What am I supposed to do? Do I go in here? No, it's locked. Oh! Oh! No! Oh! Oh, what's this? Power up! What? Now? Okay, I'm just gonna work with it. Just work with it. Oh, there's another one! Get up there! Get up! Get up! What are you doing? Get up! Oh, come on! Come on, get up, get up! Oh, I hold it. Oh, what's this? There's a white jewel. Will you save? Yes! That sounds like a wonderful idea. Oh! It's a barrel! Oh, come on! Get up there. You. Get up. Get up. Come on. Oh. It's big. I guess I pull this. Use the device for rotating the mask. Do you wish to rotate the mask? Yeah. Oh, what's happening? Is that a ghost? Kill it! Ow! No! I'm sorry! Boom! Slapped ya in your face. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick up these things. I don't know what they do. Maybe I use them in a shop or something. There's another one. Pull it? Yes. Ah! Damn, I'm new. Oh, come on! Oh, I'm still here, okay. Stop jumping all over the place! Ah. Okay. These camera angles keep changing! Slightly annoying. Slowly. Go slowly. Oh! Oh! I'm guessing... What? But... What do I do? Okay. Get on. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. What is this? Oh, a key. Is there anything over here? No. No, there isn't. Oh, let's break this thing. Break it. Roasted chicken. Okay. I have a key. Go to the door. The door. Oh! Oh, run away! Run away! Wait, do I have electricity now? Oh! You want some more? Ah, I did that again. Barrow, what are you doing? Come here. Open the door. Come on. Yeah. Save stone. Let's go. Yes. Nope. Nope. Oh, you lost your head. No! No, 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 no! I don't want to go! No! Oh! 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 Well, that turned out better than expected. What do I do with money? Ah, whatever. Open door. Oh! No! Ah, there's 3 of them! No! Oh! $100 gold. Ow! Stop spitting at me, it's not nice. Do you always spit on your friends? Geez, you have a guest over, you don't spit on them. How did that not hit me? Doesn't matter. Dead now. Uh-oh. I hope this isn't a boss. I'm not ready. What is that? Oh! Get up! Oh god, he's sinking the ship. Oh! I'm gonna drown! Move! What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Go outside. Let's go outside. Go out. Let's go. No! Get on this. Oh, okay, yeah. I see. Where am I going? Why the hell is that thing swinging? Oh, God. No! Oh! Oh, how in the world is that possible? I don't know. Well, that was fast. That escalated quickly. What? No boss? Safe stone. Safe stone. Yes, I would like to save. Alright. Can I watch the ship sink? I can't. Jumpity jumpity jump jump. Food! What is this? An axe! And a red jewel gem. They're so nice to me. Yeah! No boss. Damn. Ah! How do I beat you? Oh, what is this? No! Oh! Oh! Please let me go. Oh wait, no! Whoa, what is this? Poison? Oh, it moves! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up! No! Oh! Oh, double! Oh, what did I do? What did I press? Oh, I don't know, but I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, no! Put me down! Put me down! No, no, no! Gently! Come on! No! No! Oh, God! Yeah! Dead? Oh, thank you, wolf form. I don't know how I did that, but... Are you sure it's dead? Oh, I'm not looking very good. Safe. Let's save. Save! Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end it here for today, but stay tuned for more Castlevania. Remember, death and pain loves you.